Naghahanap ka ba ng condo units within Metro Manila na pasok sa budget? Ibibigay ko na sa iyo yung pinaka-affordable project namin. At least magkaroon ka ng idea whether sa Quezon City, Makati area, or Pasay. By the way, we are selling 60 condo units here in SMBC. Ang pinaka-affordable condo namin is located at Fairview, SM Fairview, which is 3 residences. Ang down payment lang to move in is 103,000. Ang monthly amortization is 12,000 and you still have 2 years to pay na 0 interest. At pwede mo na siyang tirhan. And next project na affordable is located at Novaliches, SM Novaliches, which is Vine Residences. Ang down payment to move in is around 150,000. Ang monthly amortization is around 17,000. And meron ka pang 2 to 3 years to pay na 0 interest kay SMBC and you can already move in once na-reach mo na yung 2 months monthly amortization. Kung naghahanap ka naman along Makati area, we have Red Residences. Ang monthly amortization lang niya is 16,000. Meron ka pang 4 years to pay na 0 interest. Ang down payment to move in is 302,000 and may start mo na yung investment mo. Located na siya sa Central Business District ng Metro Manila. And kung gusto mo naman along Pasay, we have Shore 3 Residences. Sa Shore 3 Residences, ang down payment is 329,000. Ang monthly naman is 31,000. Medyo mataas siya, pero mataas din ang rental rate sa Pasay area. Kaya mo siyang paupahan ng 40 to 50,000 depending on the interior of the unit. So, kaya pa rin i-shoulder yung monthly amortization. Kayang-kaya siyang i-cover up ng income. Ipapadaily mo man yan, mas malaki pa yung income mo. Kasi ang daily rate sa Pasay is around 2.5 to 3.5 a day depending kung low season to peak season. And laging fully book kasi nandyan na yung mga biggest casinos, yung arena, pag may mga concert dyan hini-held, mga international concert, and we have SMX, Convention Center, and also Mall of Asia. Very well known yan. Alam na mga OFW natin dyan. So, ayun yung mga project na mai-offer ko sa inyo. Idagdag ko na rin sa Parañaque. Meron kaming 15,000 monthly lang for the pre-selling. 15,000. Magkakaroon ka na ng units, 2-bedroom unit layout siya. Located siya along Sukat Road, Parañaque, pagbaba ng Skyway. At idagdag ko na rin yung Charm Residences sa Cainta. Meron ka ng 2-bedroom unit. Ang monthly amortization lang for pre-selling is 13,000, no down payment. At kung nagmamadali ka naman mag-move in, meron kaming rento-on doon. May down payment lang siya. At kung naghahanap ka ng mezzanine unit, meaning up and down, meron kaming condo na ganun. Ang ganda ng condo, ito ipapakita ko sa inyo sa screen. So, marami tayong condominium na pagpipilian dito kay SMBC. Meron din kaming Visayas area, Mindanao area. Dito sa Metro Manila, ang dami din. So, lahat ng may SM Mall, meron kaming condo units. So, kahit saang location guys, i-message nyo lang kami dito sa aming Viber or WhatsApp or mag-message na kayo directly sa amin at meron akong team with me, with Team ERL. We can assist you anytime. Again guys, this is Ed's Realty Guide PH. I've been working at SMBC for almost 12 years. You can trusted me. See you from my next vlog.